Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Make all your adventures the best they can be in this well-equipped Atlas. Honest and uncomplicated, this well-built family hauler prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, blind spot monitor. Take every task in stride in this can-do Atlas. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.